to this nice question, whereby we are told that you have this rectangle. You are given the area as 96 square meters, such that the length of this rectangle, you are told it is 4 times longer than its width. So you are going to find the dimension. So we let the width to be any number. Here I have let it to be x. So since the length is 4 meters long, it means the length is x plus 4. Now we make use of the formula of getting the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is given by this formula, length times width. So we multiply length times width and we equate with this area here as shown. So after multiplying, x times x will give you x squared, x times 4 will give you 4x. Then you take negative 96 this other side to become negative. And now you factorize this equation, whereby it can be factorized as x minus 8 into bracket x plus 12, which is equal to 0. So x is equal to 8. The negative part, whereby x is equal to negative 12, width cannot be negative. So we ignore this value here. The other possibility is that x is equal to negative 12. So width cannot be negative. So this part has been ignored. And we make use of this part which is positive. So to get the width, it will be given, to get the width is 8 centimeter. Length will be 8 plus 4, which is equal to 12 meters. So width is 8 meters, length 12. Of course, if you say 12 times 4, 12 times 8, it is going to give you 96. Now, to get this perimeter is given by this formula. Perimeter is given by the formula 2 into bracket length plus width. So you have 12 plus 8, which is 20 times 2, which is equal to 40 meters. So that is how this question can be solved in very simple method step. By first of all knowing the area of a rectangle, it is length times width. Once you know the area of a rectangle as length times width, then you substitute here, multiply, and then you factorize this quadratic equation. On how to factorize quadratic equation, kindly tune on to my YouTube channel so that we may learn together on how you can factorize quadratic equation in simple method steps. Also on how to obtain perimeter of a rectangle and other quadrilaterals, kindly tune on to my YouTube channel so that we may learn together. May I also hear your view, whether you have any other approach through which this question could have tackled. Let me know. Keep on your comment coming and I will be pleased to answer them to you. Kindly, you can subscribe to this channel and also give me the thumb up so that you do not miss a single video which I upload for us every day concerning the study of mathematics. Bye bye. See you in the next presentation.